a bit about the differences or the benefits between different surface materials for outdoor spaces, especially in residential outdoor spaces. And one I wanted to cover with you guys today is concrete. Concrete sometimes can get a bad rap because it can crack and things like that, but overall I find it to be a really, really useful surface for a lot of different reasons. And I wanted to show you guys today, just in this one job site, concrete was used for so many different things that I wanted to show you how useful it can be. You can see around this pool right here, it's used as the pool coping. They actually can pour the concrete to go over the pool and round it off for pool coping, which I think a lot of people don't think of. They think of it being some sort of stone or concrete paver that can be added later, but a poured concrete will work as well, and it can be done. Of course, this, you can see it's been sectioned off to look like it's coping, to give it a little different look. It's scored in that way, and then as you move out away, the surface is a continuous surface that's been poured. Now this has all been stamped, so there is versatility in both color and the stamping. I think a lot of people think of stamped concrete as being like a brick pattern or a herringbone pattern or something that's a little more busy. This is a much more simple stamp, and it's one that I use quite often in my designs because it gives a little bit of visual texture without it looking too busy and without being a surface that's going to catch a lot of water and hold a lot of water. This is one that will allow for water to pretty freely flow off of it. And I wanted to show you, speaking of water flowing and drainage, let's talk a little bit about how concrete helps you with the drainage as well. This concrete contractor, which is Foxcrete here in Fairhope, they also took care of the drainage on this project, so I'm going to drop back down so you guys can see that. They also included here, so you know we're in this room that's got a screen surround on it, and so the water is going to fall inside of here, so drainage is still going to be an issue with making sure that you're getting that water away from the house and bringing it into some sort of drainage system that's going to carry it away. So that's what they've done here. They've included this into the concrete. You can see that the color blends right in, so it's not super noticeable. And then the concrete contractor built the wall to go here too, as well as the cap. All of this is poured concrete. Of course, you know, we can make it different colors. We could do a lot of different things. There is a variation, several different colors in this to give it that kind of a stone look. But this is all poured concrete. This is stamped. And then you can see up here, look at this amazing detail on the side here. It looks like chiseled stone. So you can really see that there are so many different things that can be done with concrete. Like I mentioned, they use the same color throughout here. It's kind of a tan and taupe color scheme. You can do any color under the sun. It can be dyed. So you can just see how versatile this one surface is and how you can make it look like a bunch of different things without getting super complicated and really just going through one contractor, which the simpler the better. I want to show you one more thing that they did. There's one back here. We'll go back to this one. The concrete contractor also installed lighting as well to go into the wall. So now you've got this inclusion of not just the hardscape surface and these walls and everything. You've also got the lighting. You've got the drainage. It's just such a nice surface that's super, super versatile. And I just wanted to point that out to you guys today. So if you haven't considered concrete, or if you've kind of given it the thumbs down in the past, maybe this will be just give you one more, like, let's consider it one more time before you make that final decision on your residential outdoor space.